Women with disabilities need to be extra cautious. Due to the relationship between behavioral factors and cancer risk and the cancer causing potential of certain environmental factors, we can see that women with functional limitations are at increased risk for breast cancer. Women with disabilities are more likely to be exposed to frequent X-rays and prolonged use of medications and to experience differences in exercise, nutrition, and childbearing practices than women without disabilities. Abnormalities that show up on screening mammogram are usually the earliest sign of breast cancer. Therefore, regular screening is likely to result in detection of tumors at earlier stages when treatment is more successful. But unfortunately in India and in many underdeveloped countries, this screening is not done due to inaccessible healthcare centers and wheelchair-unfriendly mammogram machines. Page number 15. Many women who use wheelchairs cannot transfer themselves or transferred onto standard examining tables. And women who have tremors, who experience spasm, or who lack the stamina to stand at an imaging machine also need to be seated for accurate screening. They are more likely to be unemployed, live in households with incomes at or below the poverty level, and reside in rural areas, and they are less likely to have post-secondary education. The overwhelming nature of living with a disability can also result in forgetting to take care of preventive health needs. Disability combined with old age is also a risk factor for not receiving mammograms. Page number 16. Educational materials in accessible formats like Braille or audio tape are not available to those with sensory impairments. Women with limited hand and arm function, with lack of sensation in their fingertips, and with low vision may have difficulty performing the procedure. Breast cancer thus becomes a major health concern, particularly for women with disabilities. Their physical limitations can interfere with proper screening and even their proper treatment. The treatment of primary breast cancer involves various combinations of surgery, radiation therapy, systemic chemotherapy, and hormone therapy. The inability to lie flat or adequately abduct the arm, conditions that are common in women with certain disabilities, limitations of joint mobility, or fear that the disability would increase the patient risk for radiation-induced side effects may make it difficult or sometimes impossible to deliver radiation. Page number 17. A woman who cannot undergo radiation therapy may also not be an appropriate candidate for breast conservation surgery. The presence of a physical disability may influence decision-making in women about the treatment of breast cancer. Thus, 1. Women with disabilities are less likely to undergo breast conservation surgery. 2. Women with disabilities are less likely to receive pre-operative chemotherapy. 3rd, women with disabilities are more likely to be diagnosed at an advanced stage of